If your turtle has been the same size for months or even years, that's not slow growth, it's a warning sign. Vanakkam Turtle family, this is Ram from My Ame. A lot of turtle owners tell me this. Their turtle is active, eating, looks fine, but not growing. And they assume it's normal. But in most cases, it means something in the system is not helping your turtle to grow. So let's break this down properly. Not just theory, but what affects your turtle day to day. First, understand this. Growth is not random. A healthy red deer slider, for example, they show visible growth over the period of time. If they are not growing and stays in the same size, something is completely off. Baby turtles grow faster, juveniles grow steadily, adults slow down, but they don't completely stop unless something is off. So, if there is no visible change over a period of long term, we need to investigate. Let's start with the biggest problem, food. Many turtles are eating, but they are not growing. Why? Because they are eating the wrong balance. Suppose your turtle is eating only pellets or only protein like shrimp, that's not a complete diet. Here's a proper structure looks like. Pellets, head size. Greens, half of the shell size. As they grow, the green should increase and the protein should reduce. Now, calcium. This is where most people fail. Even if you feed enough, if you're not feeding calcium, they cannot grow properly. So, you need cuttle bone access, proper calcium rich food, plus UVB. Now we'll come to that. The UVB, the silent factor. This is one of the biggest hidden reasons. People say, I feed, my turtle is not growing. But when I see, there is no UVB. Understand this, UVB is not about light. It's about vitamin D3. Without vitamin D3, whatever your turtle is eating is not being absorbed by the body. It gets wasted. And one more thing most people don't know. Even in case if they are using UVB, they don't understand it loses its effectiveness after 6 to 8 months time. So, timing matters. Let's talk about heat. Suppose your basking temperature is wrong, their growth slows down immediately because their digestion slows down. Ideal basking temperature around 32 to 35 degrees Celsius. If it is too low, the food is not processed properly. If it is too high, your turtle will avoid basking. Water temperature also matters around 26 to 28 degrees Celsius, and you do this by placing a water heater. If you don't place a water heater, the water temperature slows down in the night and their metabolism slows down, which affects their growth. Understand, growth is not about feeding, it's about what their body can process. Let's talk about space. This is something most people ignore. Small tanks don't just look small, they limit movements. When their movement is limited, their muscles are not developed, it affects their appetite and the overall metabolism. If your tank is too small, growth slows, even if everything else is correct. Let's talk about the signs of stunt growth. This is how you identify in your turtle. Your turtle has stayed the same size for over the years, eating, but the shell structure has not formed properly. It is underdeveloped, or if it is soft, or even the growth rings are very minimal. That's not genetics, it's usually environment. Let's talk about the biggest mistake people make. When they start noticing no growth, they start feeding more. They think more pellets, more protein, so my turtle will grow well. But what actually happens is fat growth, dirty water, and organ stress, not a healthy development. Growth is not about quantity, it's about the absorption and the balance. How to fix this? Fixing is not complicated, it just needs some consistency. Check this one by one. Is your feeding structured? Is your turtle eating greens regularly? Do you have a proper UVB? And is your basking temperature correct? Is your water stable? And does your turtle have enough space? When all of this is correct, growth happens naturally, not instantly but steadily. If your turtle is not growing, don't ignore it. It is just not about the size, it's about their internal health. Once you fix the system, growth becomes as a result. It is not something that you chase. If you feel your turtle's growth is not normal, DM me on my Instagram at my.ame to book a consultation. I will review your setup and help you step by step. See you on the next.